Hey guys, happy new month to everyone. Today is February 1st, 2026. This is our fifth strategy for this week. We dropped the accumulator strategies across all the channels, about 6 of them, and we'll be making about 1,500 every week using these strategies for the past 2 months. Of course, we can't keep it to ourselves. This is what we do for the past 15 years. We've been dropping strategies back to back, and all the traders, viewers, subscribers, they've been winning, and we'll be doing this for free. We never ask for a dime from no one. It is a passion for us, and we're doing this for you all. We thank you all for keep coming back to the channels. We thank the viewers, subscribers globally, the new subscribers, the guests. We thank everyone. Thanks for sharing our videos. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. We have 3 channels. Go right now and subscribe to all the channels. You're going to make a lot of money using all the 3 strategies we dropped this week, first week of February 2026. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. We dropped the volatility 30 1x, 15 1x, 25 1x, 50 1x, and this 75 1x across all the channels. Here you're watching the 75 1x, so other channels have 15 1x, 30 1x, 25 1x, 51x, 10 1x. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels to watch all the videos. So let's get right back to it. Today we're trading the volatility 75 1x accumulator, and we're on the D-Trader interface. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 75 1x right here, 75 1x, choose 75 1x. Go to the indicator momentum, click on MACD. You're going to see it right here. MACD. Then go to the trade type here, choose accumulator. This growth, set it to 5%. Click on 5%. Enter the amount you want to stake. In this case, I'm going to be staking 26. I'm actually not staking the whole amount right here, but I'm going to enter 26. Take profit, set it to 5 USD, 5 USD, 5 USD. So we're going to be placing our trade once this is between 11 and 16. The number right there going up. Sometimes it could rebound fast, but 75 doesn't rebound that fast. It has to be between 11 and 16. 11 and 16. So it could be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, but don't let it exit 16. It must not exist. That's 11 right there. So we place that trade. We click on buy right there. It must not exit 16 as stated earlier. So you can see we want that trade right here. We want that trade, so we're going to trade again. It has to be, it has rebounded. You see, it has rebounded, so we have to wait. It has to be between 11 and 16. We're watching the number right here, 11 and 16. It could be 11, 12, 13, 14. It's always good to go in when it's 11 or 12. That's 11 right there, so I went in again, and that's going to be our last trade, because we're going to drop one more strategy today. So you can see we want that trade right here. We want that trade. Make sure you are patient. Make sure you wait and watch carefully before you place your trade between 11 and 16. And for those who haven't purchased our bot, the Toskepa bot is still active and effective. It's 9.99 USD. The links to order it is in the video description on YouTube. We're going to show you guys right after this. And the Pip Stripper board as well is 7.99 USD. It works on Deriv and is automated, and you also get a free ebook and some free bots when you order any of our bots. You also get our indicator for free. This is the indicator right there, the buy sell indicator. It works on Deriv MT5, and you can use it to trade your volatility index and also Forex pairs as well, your USD, USDCHF, GBP, OSCOD, and CAD, and all that. You can also use to trade your volatility indexes on Deriv MT5. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. When you're online, once it shows this light blue, you buy. You can see the buy signal here. It went all the way up. Sell signal right there, all the way down. All the way down. So it shows when to buy and when to sell. We're giving it away for free. The links are right there in the video description on YouTube. We're going to paste all these infos in the video description on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Make sure you the links to subscribe to our channels are also in the video description on YouTube. So to get the buy sell indicator for free, sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. Subscribe to all the channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. All these infos are in the video description on YouTube, so make sure you're watching on YouTube. So once you sign up, send an email to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account with the subject free indicator. Once you verify your sign up, you will send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator right here using that link. And the links to order the Pips Super bot is here, and the link to order the Toskepa bot is right here. Check the video description on YouTube. So for those who don't have a trading account, as stated earlier, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo and subscribe to all the channels. There are other infos that might be useful right there. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.